Humana's Preventive Value Plan is a decent minimal expense plan for purchasers, putting a need on preventive and essential consideration, and who are good with not having insurance for significant dental issues. Humana is a notable health insurance organization that likewise offers dental insurance to its clients. Their dental insurance plans accompany various benefits, including inclusion for deterrent consideration, fundamental administrations, and significant strategies. Moreover, they offer a wide organization of dentists to look over, making it simple to find a supplier that is helpful for you. One remarkable element of Humana Dental Insurance is their loyalty rewards program. This program rewards clients who stay with the organization for a considerable length of time, with an expansion in inclusion and a reduction in personal expenses. This is an extraordinary impetus for clients to stay with Humana for their dental insurance needs. Humana likewise offers some discretionary additional items to their dental plans, for example, vision inclusion and well-being limits. Vision inclusion can assist you with getting a good deal on eye tests, glasses, and contact focal points, while well-being limits can assist you with saving money on exercise center enrollments, get healthy plans, and more. As far as estimating, Humana Dental Insurance is by and large reasonable, with plans beginning at around $20 each month. Notwithstanding, valuing can shift contingent upon the degree of inclusion and area, so it's critical to get a customized statement to decide the expense for your particular necessities. Generally, Humana Dental Insurance is an extraordinary choice for people and families who are searching for complete dental inclusion at a reasonable cost. With their wide organization of dentists, loyalty rewards program, and discretionary additional items, they are a cutthroat player in the dental insurance market. To make the video seriously fascinating, you could consider talking with people who have utilized Humana Dental Insurance and hear their first-hand encounters and thoughts. You could likewise examine normal misguided judgments about dental insurance and how Humana analyzes to different suppliers on the lookout. Also, you could discuss the significance of dental health and how having the right insurance can assist with advancing great dental propensities. Pros: limitless yearly insurance payout, enormous supplier organization, lifetime deductible that you just compensation once. Preventive consideration is covered 100% immediately, like oral assessments, cleanings, X-beams, and fluoride treatment. Essential consideration is covered half immediately, for example, crisis care for relief from discomfort, fillings, and straightforward extractions. Cons: since this is a chiefly preventive consideration plan, you will not get inclusion for root canals, oral medical procedure, false teeth, implants, orthodontia, or other significant administrations. About Humana. Humana offers 6 significant kinds of dental insurance to policyholders the nation over. An organization of 335,000 dentists and experts is accessible to serve patients who by Humana inclusion. Individual health insurance plans from Humana are accessible in all states, with the exception of the frozen North, Hawaii, Nevada, New Mexico, and Washington. In the event that arrangements are not offered in your state, look at Forbes Council's rundown of best health insurance organizations. Supplier organization: Humana has one of the biggest supplier networks in the country, with in excess of 335,000 dentists and experts across the U.S. Plans and inclusion: Humana offers 6 dental plans for the singular customer, in addition to a dental limits program and limits for veterans. Client assistance: Humana agents are accessible by means of a web-based visit device, with fluctuating hours in light of variables like area. You can likewise look for help on Twitter or by telephone. In many regions, telephone lines are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. neighborhood time. Humana offers inclusion in the locale of Columbia and all states, aside from the frozen North, Hawaii, New Mexico, Nevada, and Washington. Few out of every dental plan is accessible in each state. To figure out what's accessible close to you, enter your postal district on Humana's site, and you'll see a rundown of plans in addition to what they will cost. Kinds of insurance offered by Humana. Humana is settled in Louisville, Kentucky. It offers an assortment of insurance items, including Medicaid, clinical, federal health insurance, vision. Humana is guaranteed by the Panel on Working Principles for Data Trade, which standardizes the data backup plans ship off suppliers and expects to decrease costs, further develop precision in paying cases, and diminish regulatory problems. The organization is certified by the Public Council for Quality Confirmation, which attempts to feature straightforwardness, responsibility, and best practices in healthcare plans. Humana Dental Insurance Plans. Depending where you reside and your age, Humana offers up to 6 dental insurance plans. There's likewise a dental markdown plan, which isn't insurance, and a veteran dental limits program. Here's more data about the 6 essential dental insurance plans. Splendid. In addition to dental plan. Type favored supplier association. Yearly most extreme $1,250 per individual. Yearly deductible $50 individual, and $150 family deductible. Preventive Administrations covers 100% when in network, incorporates to routine oral tests and cleanings each year, and one bunch of Bitwing X beams yearly. Fundamental Administrations covers 60% when in network, yet inclusion doesn't start until 90 days after application is handled. Incorporates crisis care for relief from discomfort, extractions, and root channels, and 2 fillings each year. Additional items $100 each year for in-office teeth brightening. States accessible: Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, and Wisconsin. Loyalty in addition to dental plan. Type PPO. Yearly most extreme $1,000 year, $1, $1,250 year, $2, $1,500, third, year, and then some. Yearly deductible lifetime deductible of $150 for individual, and $450 for family. No holding up periods, not at all like other dental plans. You have no sitting tight periods for any dental administrations. Essential Administrations incorporates extractions, fillings, and X-beams. Inclusion 40% first year, 55% second year, 70% third year, and then some. Significant Administrations incorporates crowns, false teeth, and root waterways. Inclusion 20% first year, 30% second year, half third year, and then some. States accessible: Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Utah, Virginia, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming. Dental Value Plan. Type Dental Health Upkeep Association. Yearly most extreme none. Yearly deductible none. No holding up periods. You don't need to stand by to get dental administrations, even significant work. Preventive Administrations canvassed in full with no deductible, incorporates tests and cleanings. Essential Administrations paid on a set expense plan, in light of your particular dental plan, incorporates extractions, fillings, and X-beams. Significant Administrations paid on a set expense plan, in view of your particular dental plan, incorporates crowns, false teeth, and root channels. States accessible: Dental Value Plan HI 215 is accessible in Florida, Missouri, Ohio, Tennessee, and Texas. Another choice, Dental Value Plan C 550, is offered in Georgia, Illinois and Kentucky. Preventive in addition to dental plan. Type PPO. Yearly greatest $1,000 per individual. Yearly deductible $50 for people, and $150 for family. No holding up periods. You don't need to hang tight for a period in the wake of getting inclusion to get any covered dental help. Preventive Administrations canvassed 100% when in-network, incorporates, tests, and cleanings. Fundamental Administrations canvassed half, when in-network incorporates extractions, fillings, and X-beams. States accessible: Alabama, Arizona, Iowa, Kentucky, Maine, Mississippi, North Dakota, New Jersey, South Carolina, South Dakota, Virginia, West Virginia, and Wyoming. Complete dental plan. Type PPO. Yearly most extreme $1,000 to $150 per individual, $1,500 in year 2, and then some. Yearly deductible $50 per individual, or $150 per family. No deductible for in-network. Preventive Administrations. Preventive Administrations canvassed 100% when in-network, incorporates to routine tests each year in addition to cleanings, to skin fluoride medicines, and one restricted oral assessment. Essential Administrations 80% when in-network covered, after deductible, and following half-year, holding up, period, or on the other hand, in the event that part had persistent inclusion, for the past a year, incorporates extractions and root expulsion, among different administrations. Significant Administrations half when in-network, after deductible, and year holding up period. Humana might postpone the holding up period, on the off chance that you've had constant inclusion the past a year. States accessible: Alabama, Arkansas, Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, area of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Utah and Wisconsin. Preventive Value Dental Plan. Type PPO. Yearly greatest none. Yearly deductible $50, lifetime deductible for individual, $100 for individual in addition to one ward or companion, or $150 for a family. Preventive Administrations 100% canvassed in network, after lifetime deductible 80% covered in the event that you leave. Organization incorporates routine, oral, tests, and assessments, cleanings, X-beams, and skin fluoride treatment. Fundamental Administrations half canvassed in network, after lifetime deductible 30% covered in the event that you leave. Organization incorporates routine, oral, tests, and assessments, cleanings, X-beams, and skin fluoride treatment. States accessible: Alabama, Gold Country, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Louisiana, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Texas, Utah and Wisconsin.